This is Ophelia Vanity. I'm just doing a quick preface to kind of introduce my newest YouTube, which is my third Dolls Kill haul and unboxing video. So yeah, just wanted to go over a few things really quickly. Yeah, so it's really difficult for me, it seems, especially as of late, to get a video that's under 10 minutes long. So, you know, I don't want to bore anyone, so my goal was 5 minutes or under, which I definitely met that goal, but then I felt like, you know, I really hurried throughout the video, kind of talked fast. I didn't get to share as much as I wanted to about each item, and I also couldn't find the shoes, which is a bummer. So sorry about that, guys. I do apologize. And also, yeah, also I just, you know, I think that's the most horrible I've looked in a video so far. You know, as you can see here, and also in the video that's to come, you know, like I have these roots which are really trashy because I haven't been able to bleach my hair for over 2 months, and there's at least half an inch, if not more, of roots. Yeah, I haven't been able to you know, get my nails done either, or my regular Botox, you know, lips or anything, so, which really sucks. Guys, this is Ophelia Vanity. So this is my third, yeah, Dolls Kill haul and unboxing. So sorry, this box is already open, but let me just show you what I got this time. So this is like a red dress. It's really cute. This is this material is like different. And then this is a pink dress. Perfect for, like, you know, Barbie. And it's really cute in the back with the strapless. Also, right, so this is unopened, but this is like a hat. It's like a sequin hat. Like, I've been really into sequins lately. So actually what I'm wearing now, the kitty headband, that also came with it. So this is the sequin hat. You know, I think it's more for style and not really for the sun, but better than nothing. This is, okay, so I remember when I was in middle school, chokers were like all the rage, but I think they made their comeback, you know, so this is like a pink choker. I haven't, you know, I guess that's what it looks like if you put it on. And last but not least, this is just because I really don't have green in my selection of clothes, so this is kind of like an olive, kind of dark green dress, perfect for the hot weather in LA. Unfortunately, I can't find the shoes, but they're from Love Mark, kind of like cowboy style with the stones and then everything. But what I'm wearing now, I'm wearing head to toe Dolls Kill. This dress was actually from my last Dolls Kill haul, as well as the Oxford pink scallop shoes. So yeah, I love Dolls Kill. You guys should all check it out. And thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Bye!